land size 1 acre, and earnings 20 lakh rupees every year. Surprised, right? I am not joking, my friends. If you start doing macadamia farming, then you can earn lakhs and lakhs of rupees every month. Macadamia nuts have a significant demand in India due to their versatile use in various culinary preparations, desserts, confectioneries and snacks. They are also highly sought after for their nutritional value and health benefits. According to government data, in 2020 to 2021, India imported 10,000 metric tons of macadamia nuts with a total value of approximately 1,000 crores. And not only that, India also has witnessed a significant rise in domestic production, making it a lucrative venture. Friends, macadamia farming promotes sustainable agriculture and contributes to food security, providing a nutritious and high-value nut option to meet the growing demand. So this is the right time to start macadamia farming. But a mere 15-minute online video available on social media is not enough for you to give you in detailed knowledge about macadamia farming. Therefore, Freedom App, Bharat's #1 livelihood platform, brings to you a comprehensive and practical course on macadamia farming. Our team has put in days of hard work on intensive research and production to make a comprehensive course for you. Our mentor, Mr. Manjunath R, believes in modern farming techniques that enhance productivity. With these techniques, he generates an annual profit of 20 lakhs from just 1 acre of land through macadamia farming. He will be your guide in this course. He will teach you about each and every aspect of macadamia farming. In this course, first up, you will get an introduction to the course. Then you will know more about the mentor of this course. Following that, you will know what is macadamia nuts farming and what was their origin. You will also learn about varieties, capital requirement and government support. You will learn in detail about the land, soil type and climate requirement for macadamia farming. Following that, you will be guided practically about land preparation and plantation method. Not only that, our mentor will tell you in detail about irrigation, manure and labor requirement. You will study about diseases and control, pre-harvest and post-harvest, demand and marketing, unit economics, and our mentor will also tell you what all challenges you can face in this field and how to overcome that. Which means almost everything about macadamia farming will be covered in this single course. And we have a great offer for you. If you buy this course right now, you will get a course completion certificate and you will also get access to Freedom App's marketplace, where you can sell your products and services to over 1 crore users of Freedom App at no extra cost. Not only that, you can also connect with expert mentors over a video call and get all your queries answered. Download Freedom App now.